In this video, I'll be backup SQL Server database directly to Azure Blob Storage. For that, we will create a storage account and container from scratch and generate a secure SaaS token, create a SQL credential, and run the backup to URL command. I will also show restore from URL pro tips to speed up and reliability. So I'm running SQL Server inside a VMware workstation on my laptop. To backup Azure Blob, we need three things. One is Azure subscription to create a storage account, internet access on the VM, ensure network adapter is NAT or bridged so VM can reach the internet. Third one is SQL Server 2014 or later because backup to URL feature was introduced in SQL 2012 SP1 CU2 but is stable in 2014 plus environment. So just check our SQL version. So as 2022 it is done and test inside VM. Open browser, go to portal.azure, check it is working. So already open, it is working. Now let's create an Azure storage account where backups gets created and stored. So in search bar, we need to search storage accounts. So click on create. So resource group you can give existing or we can create my blob. So we have created my blob. Storage account name we can give SQL demo backup. Two 2025. It should be always unique. That is fine. The performance should be standard and redundancy will be LRS. Now we need to click review plus create. So validation is in progress now. We'll wait for some time. Till validation is going on. It is completed. Validation done. Now we need to click on create. See here initializing deployment. So now it is submitting deployment. And deployment is in progress. See, it came now. So resource group is my blob. One sec. Okay, we have created demo backup as a storage account. Now we need to create a container. Just search container. Here under data storage. So expand data storage. Here we have containers. So inside the storage account, first we are creating a resource group. So first is login Azure portal, then create resource group for backups. So it will create, we will able to, it's like folder name. So it will be easy to accessible. Under resource group, we are creating storage account. Under storage account, we are creating containers. So we have done this one. We have done this one. We have done. We are done. We are going into create containers. So add container. So we are creating new container name called SQL backups and create. It is created now. Now we need to generate SAS token. SQL Server needs secured access. The best way is by generating shared access signature, that is SAS, with only the permission required. So go to this one storage, and already we are under storage account. Under storage account we have containers, then click on SQL backups. Wait, it is loading. Okay, now see here shared access tokens. Click on that. What permissions? Okay, signing key. Okay, key one. Stored access policy permission. We need read, add, create, write. These four permission we required. and start and expiry date. So expiry date we can give 2026 for it's for safer side. So we have given from today till 1 year. Protocols will be HTTPS only. Generate SAS token and URL. So now we need to copy SAS token. So we can store it in Notepad. Token is this one, and blob URL is this one. Now we need to create a credential in SQL Server. So in master, so first we'll check select star from sys dot credentials. There is no credential, so we can go ahead. Create credential. Container URL. So we can go here, go to containers, overview. So we need to give container name as well. So it should match the container name for the credential. So we need to go to here. We are in under containers. Go to properties. Here it is there. Space. Paste it. With identity equal to SAS shared access signature, comma, secret equal to that's it. We are creating credential. Create. Done. Now we can take backup. Let's try. Right click, task, backup. Copy only, choose URL, click add, select storage account, SQL demo backup, containers, SQL backups, click OK. OK. Script out. See here. Backup database name to URL SQL demo backup.blob.clo. This one we got from here. SQL demo backups 2025 blob.co.windows.net slash SQL backups. In this, we have given the name of the backup file with .bak with copy only, no format. So everything we can give and execute. See here, it is started. So 10% completed because it will be slow. Why? Because our backup, the server which is in my system, and we are taking the backup to the cloud. So if it is cloud to cloud, it will be fast, and from native or on-prem to cloud will be slow. – 50% completed. Still executing. Host by host. I think some due to slowness it is failed. We have another option. Wait. This and all we can remove. We only We'll give compression and we can give max transfer size equal to, we can give 4 MB. Each 4 MB will be transfer one every time. 41304. So let's try with this. Let's try again. Execute messages. So it's a bit fast now. So 60% completed within 11 seconds. Again, it was slow. It completed in 11 seconds with 60%. It's been 4 minutes. We'll wait. Let it run. Refresh. We'll wait for some more time to complete. Yeah, it is completed now. See here, successfully processed. Now it will be there. Now to verify, we will go with restore header only. So it took 5 minutes. Header only from URL equal to, okay, execute. So if this comes, it is a valid one. So it will restore. Yeah, done. Adventure works, right? We can check where it is. 2, 3. Okay. We can directly give select star backup. Okay, execute. Order by finish step. Start at 26:10:18. Okay, 10:23. 6 minutes difference. MSDB dot media family will check. I think we go join. We can join, select what you need. You can give alias name as P, media family as MF. So you need B dot database name, comma, B dot backup start date, B dot backup finish date from MSDB. Okay. MF finish date, comma, MF dot physical device name from MSDB dot backup media family MF on B dot media set ID equal to MF dot media set ID ordered by B dot backup finish date DESC. Execute. See here. So this one it backed up to the blob storage. Remaining all it is going to C drive. So one sec. So common issue we found, right? Slow backup. So we used what we used. Max transfer size like 4 MB. You can give 5 MB, 1 MB, 2 MB, 3 MB based on the size. And always make sure the firewall for Azure 443 is enabled and we are able to connect. So we successfully backed up on-prem SQL Server database running in a virtual VMware machine directly to Azure Blob Storage. We created storage account, containers, SaaS account, credential in SQL, performed backup, verified it using a restore header only, This is exactly how enterprises use Azure Blob as an offsite disaster recovery solution. Thank you.